End of another mixed day on Wall Street. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron with the Broad Market Review for August 28th, 2012. Well, another mixed day on Wall Street, getting to sound like a broken record here. Take a look at the Dow Jones Industrials, down 0.17%, S&P 500 down 0.08%. That the Nasdaq was up 0.13%, and the RUT was up 0.48. So today we had the Nasdaq and the small caps leading the way, and dragging the way a little bit was the Dow and the S&P 500. Banks, however, were leading the way there. Look at 0.48, far exceeded what was at the S&P. And the VIX did not spout up today like it did yesterday. It just went up at 0.86. So it did at 16.5 approximately. A little bit of movement in gold, a little bit more in silver today. And the dollar, UUP, was down slightly, which does match it for the up day on those two. And the trend did close at 1.56, just about to the range of the Grok trade, but not quite. So let's take a look here at the S&P 500 daily, and pretty boring here. Yeah, almost a doji day there. Again, this has been a very, very difficult time to be swing trading. Let me show you. If we go back here to August the 7th, look, we've been trading in this tight range between 1400 as support and 1418 as our resistance at the top. Yes, you can't make a lot of money with these tiny moves. I guess everybody's on vacation. So let's take a look here at the Dow. The Dow too has gone up here. It also in this very tight range. That's a little more bearish, and it is below the 20-period moving average. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a little stronger here, still staying above the 8 EMA as well as the 11 EMA. So it is still, it's a little more bullish than the Dow. And the small caps, the RUT, Russell, is also above these moving averages. It is now did close above this major duty trend line here. So what's in stack for tomorrow? Who knows? Could go either way, or we could just stay sideways till the announcement on the Jackson Hole conference on Friday and getting us through the Republican convention. Otherwise, just end of the summer vacation time. We do have these daily videos on the broad market, but we also have them. We have additional trading videos every day. We go to trading videos here or down here. If you go there, then you can see here we've got the broad market review every day. Either Des does it or when I'm filling in for him. And I also do one every day on stocks, a trade that we had this morning in the Rockstar trading room. And then a few times a week there's futures, ETFs, and there's also a version in Spanish. So these are all free and for your use. Now just say, well, geez, Mark, that's a day trade that you're doing under stocks. Well, the principles that I apply at all different time frames, because I also trade not just day trade, but I'm also a swing trader and position trader. So this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember that capital preservation is the #1 key to a consistent, successful trader.